Hey there, Scott here. Today we're working on a heavy hauler dump cart. Got this from a friend of mine that said he just wore it out. Well, turns out what he wore out not necessarily was the cart, but the wheels. And check it out here. We got, this is one of the wheels, and I mean the whole inside is shot. So when the wheel was here in place, well, you get the drift. It was just a mess. There you go. It was just doing all kinds of moving around, and to the point too where I'm gonna show you that right here, the metal, this sharp edge on the wheel was literally digging in here. So what we're going to do is replace the wheels with new wheels here, low speed tow behind universal tires and wheels. These things have some adapters in case you have different axle sizes. Like that is too small for the axle that I'm putting it on, so I'll be popping that out and putting this one on. There's some spacers here if you need it. We'll find out when I get this put together if I need it. So that's what we're doing today. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to prepare this tire to install on the cart. And I have just a half a cinder block here. Set that in here. Cut the straps. Now, what I'm going to do is pop these out and put these in. So, I've got just a long bar that I use for prying and poking and banging, and that's not going to fit in there. Alright, so with a long screwdriver, I'm going to set it in there, and what I'm trying to do is to tap this out. There we are. Now we'll flip it over and do the other side. And we've got that one out. Now it's time to put the new ones in, like so. Alright, we'll see if this works. We got a block of wood and a rubber mallet. There you go, it's fully seated. There we go. Now we'll do the same to the other one. All right, looking good. All right, we're going to clean this up a little bit. I've got some large 3/4 inch washers. This way, that this damaged part that I showed you earlier is protected from the wheel. And since this is the fill valve and this is offset here, the other wheels, the original wheels, were the same on both sides, but I picked these up. They were a couple dollars less monies, and there is a grease zerk there that we're gonna grease up when this is done. Right there. Put this there, drop the pin in there. There you go. We'll replace the one on the other side. We'll put some grease in the shaft there, and I think we're going to be ready to rock and roll. Alright, so here we are with a shot underneath. I'm going to put some grease in here. Side. Okay, here we go. Clean that up. Well, there we are. The heavy hauler is ready to start hauling again. Got some new tires. Looking sharp. Now it means I got to go back to work.